we're going to be covering the daily open strategy. Please pause this video and take a moment to read this trade disclaimer, as the information contained in this video is not financial advice and is only for educational purposes. In this module, we will cover the utility of the three most important daily open types, how to correctly implement them, and then go over some examples and tips and tricks on how to best use them. The three most important daily open types can offer an entry and an invalidation for a possible trade setup. Understanding the different open types gives conviction to trade the rest of the daily session. Also, it offers a strong edge over the competition. In order to correctly implement the different daily open types, we recommend that you follow these steps. Step 1. Monitor the first hour of the new trading day. It is crucial for the following 23 hours. Step 2. Ask yourself, is it a strong move up or down? Is price action trending? Is the volume high? You can also note volume, the dollar amount move, and whether the daily open is inside or outside the previous day value area. Step 3. Trade the retest of the daily open or the continued strength. If you see a strong move, you can expect continuation. If you see an initial meandering move, you can expect a retest. Here are the three most important daily open types. 1. The open drive type. Price ideally opens outside of the previous day value area and has a move with continued strength, and you can expect a trending day. 2. The open test drive type. The day begins off slow with meandering price action, then backtests or retests the daily open, with then a strong rejection with volume. 3. The open rejection reverse type, with a weak initial directional move, a rejection off of a key level, and then a strong reversal of price through the daily open with high volume and follow-through. Now let's have a look at a practical example of the open drive type. Here we have the BTC-USD pair on Bybit on the 50-minute time frame. As we can observe, the daily open is here. There is an impulsive move with high volume away from the daily open that sets the tone for the day and has nice follow-through, bringing us outside of the previous range and value area into a new range. On such days, it is possible to enter with the impulsive move and follow the trend for the day and have the invalidation be below the daily open. Now let's have a look at a practical example of the open test drive type. Here we have the BTC-USD pair on Bybit on the 50-minute time frame. As we can observe, the daily open is here. After an initial move and meandering price action, we have a very nice backtest and following rejection from the daily open with nice follow-through for the rest of the day. This open type occurs very often in crypto, and it offers us a possibility for a very nice entry with an invalidation beyond the retest of the daily open. Now let's have a look at a practical example of the open rejection reverse type. This is the BTC-USD pair on Bybit on the 50-minute time frame. The daily open is here. And initially, we can observe how price action meanders around the level. Then it makes a weak directional move towards this level of resistance, where then there is a reaction with volume and with follow-through going through the daily open and reversing the initial move. If we turn on the volume profile, we can confirm that the initial move was on low volume and the rejection was on high volume and had good follow-through. Ideally, you would look to enter a position once you see the initial weak move towards a key level predetermined through your other technical analysis. Ultimately, this is confirmed with the volume injection and the beginning of the reversal of the initial weak move. Now let's go over some tips and tricks. The initial balance, or the first hour of the trading day, is key to help predict the day type, whether trending or range-bound. The daily open is always at midnight UTC time, and it is the same for everyone in the world. Cryptocurrency is a 24-hour market, and the tests of key levels can take longer than in legacy markets. You should use other technical analysis to establish price targets and take profit levels, as the daily open types can only provide you possible entries and invalidations. Market context and experience are key to help determine the developing daily open type. Here is the take-home message for this module. Keeping in mind the three most important daily open types, measure the strength of the daily open. Check order flow to monitor for a volume injection. Then you can predict the day type ahead by using the open type and the initial balance, giving you a big advantage over the competition. This concludes today's module. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Happy learning and happy trading.